Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Honda CR-V versus Peugeot 3008 full comparison. Please follow along as I walk through performance, interior space, technology, fuel economy, and ownership costs so you can decide which suits your needs best. I will point out where each model shines and where compromises appear, using clear examples, everyday scenarios, and simple metrics to make the choice easier for shoppers and enthusiasts alike. Both cars offer distinctive driving personalities, and I'll describe how engine torque, transmission mapping, and chassis setup change the experience behind the wheel. Expect a discussion of acceleration, real-world fuel economy, and how each model behaves in city traffic versus highway cruising. I'll also cover refinement factors like wind and road noise, steering heft, and how these affect long trips and everyday usability for drivers and families. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more comparisons and reviews. Quick recommendation: Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Link in the description, a small convenience that pairs well with weekend road trips and packed lunches. Check the description for that link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. I'll compare cabin layouts, seat comfort, headroom, and cargo flexibility to show how each vehicle adapts to real-life demands such as groceries, strollers, or weekend gear. Expect notes on infotainment usability, smartphone integration, and driver assistance, features that matter during routine driving. I'll mention maintenance expectations and overall ownership practicality so you know what to expect beyond the showroom, helping you match features to your lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.